Today on ZOKAPI, we're checking out Camp, a man who builds an amazing wooden cabin from the ground up using only simple tools and natural materials. If you want to see more of his projects, check out the link in the description. Let's jump right in. First, we need a toolbox. Oh wait, we don't have one. No problem, we'll just build our own strong, all-wood toolbox that looks like something a Viking would use. Now, let's start building the cabin. Step 1. Dig a few holes and place strong tree stumps into the ground. These will be the base of the cabin. We set the tree stumps in place to create a strong foundation. Once that's done, it's time to build the floor frame, and make sure everything is straight and level. No one wants to walk around in a crooked cabin. Next, we lay down thick wooden planks for the floor. This creates a solid base for the rest of the build. Then, we mark the four corners of the cabin and start placing the wall studs. These vertical beams are like the cabin's backbone. They give the walls strength and support. This is where the real magic begins. Every cut, every nail, and every beam is carefully placed. It's a true display of skill and craftsmanship. Look at how precise the work is. It's time to start adding the wall cladding. As each wooden plank goes up, the cabin starts to look more like a real home and less like just a wooden frame. Cladding is one of the easiest ways to build walls for a wooden cabin. It works like layers of skin, easy to install, flexible in design, and very effective. It also helps protect the cabin and lets the wood expand and shrink naturally, which stops it from cracking or bending. Now it's time to add the ridge beam, the main support at the top of the roof. This beam carries most of the weight and holds the whole roof together. The ridge beam does the heavy lifting. It holds the whole roof together like a true champion. Once it's in place, we can add the rafters. These are the angled beams that fit in like puzzle pieces, giving the cabin its final shape. Isn't it amazing how everything is coming together? Just a few simple tools and materials, and now we have a real cabin taking shape. It's pure craftsmanship. Honestly, watching this makes me want to grab some tools and build a little cabin of my own. Now it's time to finish the roof. With the ridge beam ready, the rafters fit in perfectly to create a strong frame. Now that the roof frame is ready, we lay down the roofing panels. Next, we build a wooden ladder, because even though climbing like a mountain goat is fun, having a sturdy ladder makes life a lot easier and safer. Time for a quick cleanup. There's sawdust everywhere, and extra wood pieces scattered all around. It looks like a wood shop tornado hit. So we tidy up and smooth out the rough edges. Now let's weatherproof the roof. We use felt, which works like a raincoat for the cabin. It keeps the moisture out and helps hold the warmth in, which is perfect for staying cozy year-round. It's surprisingly easy to build strong, safe windows. With a few careful cuts and a solid frame, we get windows that let in sunlight but keep out wind and rain. Now let's secure the roof with a central support beam, also called a king truss, or at least, that's what we're calling it. This strong piece holds everything together and keeps the roof steady for many years to come. Of course, a cabin isn't complete without a porch, so let's start building that next. Build the porch, and why stop there? Adding a roof makes it even better. It gives more shade, more comfort, and creates the perfect spot to relax outside, whether it's sunny or raining. Now let's move on to the door frame. A strong, well-measured frame is important so the door fits just right, no shaking, no gaps. With careful cuts in solid wood, we make sure it's sturdy and fits perfectly. Strong joints and careful alignment make sure the door opens smoothly and closes tightly. After all, what's a cabin without a proper entrance? Next, we add some handrails to the porch, why not? They make it safer, add a bit of style, and give you a nice spot to lean on while enjoying the view. And of course, we finish the porch with solid, secure floorboards. With these final touches, this porch is strong, safe, and ready to last for years. If building steps feels like a nightmare to you, don't worry. Here's how it's done right: clean, precise cuts, strong risers, and evenly spaced steps all come together smoothly. It's not just useful, it's a beautiful example of craftsmanship. Just look at it, every detail shows skill and care. Every detail, every joint, and every perfectly placed board come together beautifully. Isn't it amazing to see? Now we finish things off with some weatherproofing. We add a strong door and a protective roof, so no matter the weather, rain, wind, or shine, the cabin stays warm and safe. It's the perfect final touch to this masterpiece, built to last for years to come. Next, if you thought that was impressive, just wait. We're about to take things to the next level, literally, as we build a mezzanine, a raised platform inside the cabin. The mezzanine adds extra space, whether it's for sleeping, storage, or just giving the cabin that cozy loft feel. With strong beams and solid flooring, the cabin gets a nice upgrade. Now, we seal up the gaps between the boards and add the final touches. A little precision work here and there makes sure the cabin is fully insulated from drafts and moisture. Next, we add safety rails to the mezzanine, a strong barrier to keep everything secure. Because taking an unexpected fall to the floor is definitely not part of the plan. No cabin is complete without a stool. Whether it's for sitting, reaching high shelves, or just adding a rustic touch, a sturdy wooden stool is a must. And there it is, a fully built cabin that shows anyone can do it, from the foundation all the way to the finishing touches. Every piece came together perfectly. Honestly, after watching this, I'm thinking I might build instead of buy next time, all thanks to Camp KCK. But don't go anywhere yet, you won't want to miss the next addition to the cabin. It's time for the final touches. We add sturdy window knobs for a nice finish, then a simple table for practicality. And of course, we add a cabin stove to keep things warm and cozy. What more could you want? The foldable table is super handy, space-saving and perfect for a cabin. You can use it when you need it and fold it away when you don't. Simple, efficient, and clever. Now, let's install the stove. But safety comes first. We add a heat shield to protect the floor and build a proper ventilation system to keep the cabin smoke-free. Now, we've got warmth and comfort ready to go. safety and that perfect rustic charm all in one. Of course, the stove exhaust needs to safely vent outside. A well-placed chimney pipe makes sure the smoke goes out while keeping the warmth inside. Finally, we direct the smoke away from the cabin. A properly positioned chimney cap and flue ensure the smoke vents safely without lingering around the cabin. The cabin isn't just beautiful, it's also safe and practical. Every detail, from the strong foundation to the secure ventilation system, makes sure this cabin isn't just a display piece, but a fully functional home. With proper insulation, a reliable stove, weatherproofing, and smart space-saving features, this cabin is built for comfort, durability, and year-round use. What an amazing transformation by From raw materials to a fully functional cabin, this build is truly impressive. If you want to see more of his amazing projects, follow the link in the description. And don't forget to let us know if you'd like to see more videos like this.